Hi, my name is Sumit Kumar Pradhan. Welcome to the channel. We will share an honest review of MailZone. Let's get started. MailZone, brand new way for affiliate marketers to save $10,000 plus on email marketing. Send unlimited emails to unlimited contacts at a super low one-time price. With free inbuilt SMTP and free 100 plus DFY money making email swipes. Finally, you can stop spending thousands of dollars on unreliable autoresponders by switching to this affiliate-friendly autoresponder platform. Let's see how MailZone can provide you and their more features.
Hey, welcome to the world's #1 email marketing platform of MailZone. Do you know email marketing is a great marketing platform for making millions of dollars online? For every $1 you spend on email marketing, you can expect an average return of $41. But there's one big problem. Email marketing services are mostly unreliable. They have low delivery rates and use poor IP addresses, which make your emails land not in the primary box, but in the promotion tab, or worse, in spam folders. And yet, to get better services, you must spend a lot of money. Businesses on average are spending anywhere from $300 to over $2,000 per month. That's until today. Meet MailZone, an email marketing platform that offers the best in both worlds, affordable yet reliable services. With MailZone, you can send unlimited emails, add unlimited contacts to your lists, run unlimited campaigns, build unlimited to segment your leads for better results, and most advanced feature that you can generate unlimited leads using inbuilt lead generation features. All that without paying monthly fees. That's right, for just a small one-time investment, you can use our email marketing services for a lifetime. Even better, we include a built-in SMTP server for absolutely free, so you don't need to spend more money on a third-party SMTP provider. Also, you can generate thousands of email leads every single day without spending any single amount. And that's even more money you can save. Now for the best part. We've prepared dozens of ready-to-convert email templates. This will make building your email campaigns could be done in mere seconds. Plus, since they were made based on campaigns that work, you can expect to achieve great results every time. How much does this software cost? The normal cost is $97 a month. Lucky for you, you don't have to pay anywhere near that. You won't pay $97 a month, not $47 a month. You won't even pay monthly at all. Today, you can use MailZone for just $17 of a one-time investment. Yup, just pay once and you can use it forever. However, if you pass up on this offer today and come back later, you'd be paying $97 a month to use this email marketing software. There's no risk to give this remarkable app a try. This offer is backed by our strong 30-day money-back guarantee, so you literally have nothing to lose here. Also, you'll get 24/7 full support with a world-class full training tutorial. So what are you waiting for? Get started now and start selling more with emails.
Ready to take your business to the next level? Get started now. You'll get everything you need to succeed. Get lifetime access all these features for a measly one-time investment. Try MailZone for 30 days with zero risk. It's not a guarantee. It's a personal promise from us. We promise you that you'll get what we've been promised on this page. So get access to MailZone for a special, low one-time investment today. Then try it for 30 days. And use all the features. If for some reason, you feel like it wasn't as you expected it to be, just let me know and we'll send you a courteous refund with no question asked. Okay, great, as you have got all information about it, you can now go ahead and order it using my link. Why use my link to order this product? As if you order this product using my link, I will provide you a bonus of more than $2,500 completely free. So it's a win-win situation for both of us. You don't have to lose anything, but you get an extra $2,500 valued bonuses, and I don't lose as well. Check out the description for the link to order. Bonus can be claimed directly from Warrior Plus, JV Zoo. Thank you for watching our video. Catch you in the next video. Bye bye.